Welcome to Cagayan de Oro, a city at the heart of northern Mindanao that is rapidly transforming into one of the Philippines' most promising investment destinations. But what's driving this surge in real estate opportunities? The National Economic and Development Authority, or NEDA, has projected that Cagayan de Oro is on the path to becoming the next major metropolitan area in Mindanao, or Metro CDO. This transformation is not just a vision, but a well-supported development plan aimed at turning the city into a key economic and urban hub. Cagayan de Oro's strategic location makes it the gateway to northern Mindanao, a vital link between the Visayas and the rest of Mindanao. With infrastructure developments such as the expansion of Laguindingan Airport and the planned Mindanao Railway System, the city's connectivity and accessibility are set to improve significantly. NEDA's proposal to develop Metro CDO focuses on enhancing these infrastructure projects to support a rapidly growing population and economy. This means greater opportunities for investors as the demand for residential, commercial, and industrial properties is expected to rise. The local government, supported by NEDA's vision, is fully committed to sustainable urban development. The planned transition to Metro CDO is more than just an expansion. It's about smart urban planning, improved public services, and creating a city that's prepared for future growth. By investing in Cagayan de Oro now, you're not just buying property. You're securing a stake in the city's promising future as it becomes a central economic and urban hub in Mindanao. Cagayan de Oro's real estate market has shown consistent growth, with property values steadily appreciating. As the city transitions into Metro CDO, these values are expected to rise even further, offering substantial returns for early investors. Cagayan de Oro is more than just a city. It's the future Metro CDO, a dynamic and thriving urban center with immense potential. Now is the time to invest and be part of this golden opportunity.